Welcome to this video on the difference between coding and programming. Many people often use the terms coding and programming interchangeably, but they are actually two distinct concepts. At its most basic level, coding refers to the process of writing instructions for a computer to execute. These instructions can be written in various programming languages, such as C++, Python, or Java. A coder is responsible for creating the logic and structure of a program by writing lines of code. On the other hand, programming refers to the act of using a programming language to create a complete software application or system. This involves not just writing code, but also designing and testing the program, as well as maintaining and updating it over time. So, to put it simply, coding is a part of programming, but programming is much more than just coding. Now, let's delve a little deeper into the differences between these two concepts. First and foremost, coding involves writing specific lines of code to perform specific tasks. It is a highly technical process that requires a strong understanding of the chosen programming language and its syntax. Coding is often seen as the foundation of programming, as it forms the building blocks of any software application. Programming, on the other hand, involves the entire process of creating and maintaining a software application. This includes not just writing code, but also designing the program's architecture and structure, testing the program to ensure it is working correctly, and maintaining and updating the program over time. Programming also involves problem-solving and critical thinking skills. A programmer must be able to analyze a problem and come up with a solution using code. They must be able to think creatively and find ways to optimize the program for efficiency and performance. In addition, programming often requires collaboration with a team of other programmers, designers, and professionals. This can involve working on large, complex projects that require a high level of coordination and communication. Another key difference between coding and programming is the level of abstraction. Coding is typically more focused on the details of how a program works, while programming involves a higher level of abstraction, where the programmer is concerned with the overall goals and objectives of the program. For example, a coder might be tasked with writing a specific function to perform a specific task, such as sorting a list of numbers. A programmer, on the other hand, might be responsible for designing the overall structure and flow of a program, such as creating a user interface for a web application. In summary, coding and programming are two distinct concepts that are often confused. Coding refers to the process of writing specific lines of code, while programming involves the entire process of creating and maintaining a software application. Coding is a technical process that requires a strong understanding of a programming language, while programming involves problem-solving, critical thinking, and collaboration with a team.